Today we are taking a look on a great wireless transmission system, and we are going straight to a film production set. So you are starting a big production company and your DP doesn't have a wireless transmission system. Well, we have here the HOLLYLAND MARS 300. Oh well, we have a director here. Let's have a look on how it works.
Okay. Да. Плавно спусти. Окей.
Actually, the scene is happening much more further away than here. Let's have a look where it's happening. Well, actually, the DP is 50 meters away and the wireless transmission system works excellent. You can have an idea of how far he is.
Ей, стоп, понавljamo scenu ponovo, jako loše.
But we can make it even further. Let's have a look on 100 meters mark.
No, this wasn't on script. Come on, stop this shit. Oh, fuck.
Well, let's ask the director on what he is thinking about the HOLLYLAND 300. Do you like it? Well, he is actually liking it a lot and maybe he could actually steal it. Oh man. Come back! He's stealing it! Ah! Well, I was able to get it back. So your director will be really pleased when it has a full control of the shot wirelessly.
No, this is not fucking drama. We're making thriller, horror movie.
And the director will be always ready to check the footage on a wireless bigger screen, even if you have a really demanding director.
Show me his face. That's good. Hold on like this. Stop! Repeat this scene.
The image transmission system works up to 300 feet, or in the normal measurement world, 100 meters. And there were no image transmission problems on that amount of distance. Let's have a look on what's in the box. In the box you will find the HOLLYLAND MARS 300 transmitter and the receiver. They are actually the same size. You will get also one spare antenna, one 12-volt power adapter and one cotter adapter. The HOLLYLAND transmitter is really simple to operate. Mount your Sony MP-F970 battery on the back and turn on the side switch. On the side there is the pair button to pair the transmitter and the receiver, the upgrade micro USB port, the channel selector, the link LED light and the link LED video feed light. On the other side there are the HDMI in ports and the HDMI loop ports. The receiver can output the same video feed to two HDMI out ports. On the bottom part you can find the power in 6 to 16 volts option. Both the receiver and the transmitter has a 1/4 screw mount on the bottom. These two small things can really help in your production process. The system is made to be really simple and tiny, so you can mount it on your hot shock camera mounting plate and be ready to go in minutes. It uses Sony MP-F970 batteries, making it really great for smaller setups that needs flexibility and fast setup camera deployment. They also work the best with the mainstream flagship gimbals like the Moza Air 2. Focus pulls are no match anymore for DP and camera operators. Well, that's it. If you need a really great budget wireless image transmission system, the HOLLYLAND MARS 300 will do a great job for you. Oh my, I almost forgot. I got the Sony a6400 flippy screen. Looks like a really great comparison with my Sony a7 III. And yeah, I will be using my full frame lenses on this APS-C crab body. And we are going straight to my favorite one. Comments time. We have JJ. If I could like this video 300 times, I would. Well, thanks, my ego is reaching high numbers. We have another comment from Uttarakhand Vlogs. Which one the best for wedding videography? Please suggest. Well, I would go for the lightest gimbal setup possible. So maybe I should go for the Weeby Lab or the Moza Air 2. They are the lightest in this comparison. Well, you can always go for the Ronin S or Crane 3, but your hands and arm will start to hurt on a whole day wedding shoot. We have another great comment from Adrian. You remind me of John Malkovich in Rounders.
A young man coming in for a quickie.
Oh, maybe we matched a perfect fit. Instagram feature, sorry for the spelling, Vyacheslav. He is a great gimbal operator. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe with the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video. And see you on my next one.